What up, world? Welcome back. I am Masculinity Architect Dwayne Langham. This is the Ave, Yolo Ave, the road least traveled, and you have just tuned in for another day in the life of this leap year challenge. Today, people, is Tuesday, February 25th of 25. Today is day 77 of 365. We are up there. Boom! 73 days. We are just over a fifth of the way through this leap year challenge, this quantum leap in life. And the challenge that's coming up is creating stories, taking you on the adventure, like really crafting out how to share my story. There's things that I'm up to, there's things I'm taking on, and to be honest, what's there, literally today, this morning, I am at the cusp, the precipice, the epicenter. I'm at ground zero of a breakup. 2.5-year relationship since September of 22 is ending. Partner I'm living with, partner I've been building with, partner I intended to marry. Anyway, off on a side tangent. Like I said, clearly dealing with a breakup. There's some grieving and things that'll be going through. But beyond that, right, so I'm on this journey. I'm doing the things that I do in building my life, which is pretty fucking huge, to be honest. A lot. Learning Spanish, reading books, going to school for psychology, studying for CISSP certification in the tech space. Speaking of which, we had a second round in-person interview for a nice position I'm excited about. Stay tuned for that. On the health and fitness journey to lose 40 pounds, get down to 15% body fat. Rebuilding a career, expanding the business across 3 channels right now on YouTube. And those 3 channels, men's, women's, and general self-development, my vlogging. So all in all, up to a lot. And the stories I tell, episodes I make. Am I just giving insights of the day? Am I reflecting on lessons in life, my own experiences? Am I telling a vlog experience, something that happens throughout the day, putting day in the life events together? I'd rather deliver something of value. I don't prefer to make it a story just about me. My life experience and what you can learn or benefit from is ideally what I want. And as you're living life, tailoring that to a conversation takes practice to package it in a product, to make it valuable beyond just my personality. Capturing, packaging, and bottling, like making a process so that all that happens smoothly is a challenge. And that's what I'm running into, just hitting record, and I honestly reflect and see that I need to record everything in my life. I need to record the day in, day out routine. One, just for capturing content, because especially for Instagram, that gives me access to have footage I can create, not on this channel, but Instagram for my other channels where I'm actually marketing business and services. But for this channel, really jotting down notes, reflections in life lessons. What's there today, if I were to share, is the working on self, the patience and stillness to tune into source, to tune into what's possible, to tune into infinite direction. I'm in a phase in life at rock bottom and rebuilding and fortifying my faith, which allows me to be still, which allows me to be calm, which allows me clarity, closure. And that's a journey. That's a muscle to exercise. It's a process to learn and grow and develop to that point. And then when there, it is walking in faith. And I guess in summary, that's really what this journey is. 365 days of just tracking me building myself, building my business, rebuilding my heart, rebuilding my status, my career, my education, rebuilding, and in a way building for the first time. But either way, I thank you for being along on the journey. I thank you for staying engaged. I promise you, I will not give up. I will be tracking all this for 365 days. I'm going to get a rotation, if it's a weekly video, if it's weekly vlog dumps, if it's insights throughout the week, I'm gonna stick with it. That's why I still track it every day. And I think I'm just gonna take the habit of hitting record every day and just taking 5 or 10 minutes to get thoughts out and see what comes up. And that's gonna create whatever this is gonna be. Because structuring it, planning it, inside of what I'm already up to in life is a bit more challenging. And it's just something I haven't quite cracked the code for workability and what's ideal. But we will get there. We will get there. In the meantime, signing off, wishing you the best, only success. I'm going to be right here, being the best version of myself. One could say beyond empowered. The question is, who are you going to be?